Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for government quota seats in Puducherry medical colleges and dental colleges. So let's start first with the region-wise reservation. So in Puducherry, there is a reservation for Karaikal candidates. There is an 18% reservation. Mahe candidates has 4% reservation and Yanam candidates have 3% reservation. So 18 plus 4 plus 3, 25% of the seats are reserved region wise, whereas the remaining 75% is open for any candidate from Puducherry Union Territory. Now let us look at the community wise reservation. So within this region, we also have community wise reservation. So let's first look at the vertical reservation. So open general candidates will have 50% reservation. Other backward classes will have 11%. Backward class Muslim BCM will have 2%. Most backward classes will have 18%. Extreme backward classes will have 2%. Backward tribes will have half percentage. Scheduled caste 16%, and scheduled tribes half a percentage. So this is applicable for most of the regions except Mahe. Now Mahe has a slightly different reservation. They have open general 50%. OBC they have a higher reservation 16%. BCM 10%. MBC 7%. And they don't have any reservation for extreme backward classes. Backward tribes, they also have half a percentage, scheduled caste 16%, and scheduled tribes half a percentage. And now let's look at the horizontal reservation. Now the children or grandchildren of freedom fighters will have 4% horizontal reservation. Persons with disabilities will have 5% horizontal reservation. Wards of ex-servicemen will have 1% reservation in MBBS degree courses and 3% reservation in all other courses within Puducherry. Candidate who are meritorious in sports, that is sports person, again there is a 1% reservation. So this is the reservation available for Puducherry Union Territory candidates. Now let's look at the number of seats available in the colleges. So Indira Gandhi Medical College, which is the government medical college in Puducherry, it has 180 seats. Now economically weaker section, a section which was introduced last year, has a 13 seats reserved, and excluding economically weaker section, we have about 118 seats. So totally 131 seats available under state quota. All India quota has 27 seats. NRI quota has 22 seats. So this is one of the rare government colleges that provide NRI quota. So that adds up to 180 seats. Now this is the further breakdown of the 180 seats. In fact, the 131 seats. Okay. The 131 seats, you can see that it is broken down by region, that is Karaikal, Mahe, Yanam. At the same time, it also has been broken down in terms of the community-wise reservation. So you can take a look at this. This is based on 2019 admission. So this year it might be slightly different, but more or less this should give you your guidelines, right? 131 seats, how they are reserved. Let me move to the private self-financing medical colleges. Number one, the PIMS or Pondicherry Institute of Medical Sciences, Puducherry. It has 55 seats under government quota. Sri Manakula Vinayagar, it also has 55 seats under government quota. And then finally, Sri Venkateshwara Medical College, these also have 55 seats under government quota. So totally, if you look at private self-financing medical colleges, we have about 165 seats reserved under government quota out of a total of 450 seats. This allocation of government quota is again based on 2019 admission. So just look at this year distribution. It may or may not be the same. Okay. But this should provide you some information, advanced information for your planning. Now let's look at the cutoff marks. Now let's start with Indira Gandhi Medical College and let's look at the Puducherry cutoff. That is Puducherry Union Territory, the open seats. General category 411 marks, OBC category 378, MBC category 374, SC category 230, backward tribes 344, EWS 196, BCM 363, and then EBC 344 marks. This is for Puducherry Union Territory. Now the special reservation within region, Karaikal. General category 354 marks, OBC 360, MBC 237, SC candidates 188, BCM 150. Then Mahe region, 383 was the cutoff for general candidates, 430 for OBC, MBC candidates 306. And then finally, Yanam candidates, general candidates 394, MBC category 158 marks, and SC category 312 marks. So this is the cutoff for Indira Gandhi Medical College under government quota seats. Self-financing colleges. First, let's start with PIMS, right? Pondicherry Institute of Medical Sciences. The general quota 363, OBC 363, MBC 351, SC candidates 201, BCM 362, EBC 339. Sri Manakula Vinayagar, general candidates 328, OBC 334, MBC candidates 316, SC candidates 184, BCM 325, and finally EBC 329. And the last category or the last college, Sri Venkateshwara Medical College, 322 is the cutoff for general candidates, 318 for OBC, 307 for MBC, 180 for SC candidates, 144 for backward tribes, 311 for BCM, and 326 for EBC candidates. Now let's look at the dental degree course. So under dental degree course, we have Mahatma Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences, which is a government college. Here you can see the overall Puducherry, 294 is the cutoff for general candidates, 291 for OBC, 288 for MBC, 170 for SC candidates, and 295 for BCM candidates. Karaikal region, 201 marks for general candidate, 200 marks for OBC, 200 marks for MBC, 171 for SC candidates. Mahe region, 281 for general candidates, 275 for OBC candidates. And finally, Yanam, 118 is the cutoff for general candidates. Now let's move on to self-financing dental colleges. Let's first look at Mahe Institute of Dental Sciences. General category 105 marks, OBC 118, MBC 115, SC 118, BCM 251, EBC 147. So more or less very close to the qualifying marks of NEET. Almost everybody is getting a seat. Sri Venkateshwara Dental College, general candidate 198, OBC 175, MBC 145, SC candidates 137, and EBC 228 marks. So this is the information I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope this information is useful to you. I will get back to you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.